everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making homemade garlic bread. When you make your own homemade garlic bread, it's amazing. You can add whatever you want on it and it will taste amazing. So to start with, we are going to start by dicing our garlic. Let's take out all this. Now, depending on how much garlic you like, you can use as many as possible. I am using quite a lot of garlic, so we'll start by dicing them. You want to mince them finely. You don't want to bite into a big chunk of garlic. It smells amazing. This garlic is one of our own that we grew. I will link a video on our garlic harvest on this video. It's one of those things that are so easy to grow. You really don't need too much work. Just put it in the ground during the winter months and then you will harvest it so easy, low maintenance. And one clove will give you a whole ball. So it just multiplies. And then when you grow it, you can always dehydrate them and then powder them. Then you can use your own garlic for the rest of the year. This recipe is so easy to make. You can make it in an oven or in an air fryer. That's how simple it is. We dice these. We also have flatly Italian parsley. We have 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. So in here, 227 grams of salted butter. This is softened, so it's quite easy to manipulate. Then to that, we'll add our garlic, and then we'll add our parsley and our salt, and then we mix. You can add basil or sage or rosemary or whatever you want to add. You want to mince it so well. I also added powdered garlic. Again, this is supposed to be garlic bread, so the more garlicky, the better. We are done with the garlic butter. And now we'll get our bread. This is our homemade bread. So you want to slice it to the desired slice. And you can make this ahead of time and freeze it. So I'm going to actually make this whole. All right. And so what we want to do is to start on our oven 350 degrees. And then for the parts, you have to spread front and back, especially if you want to freeze them so you can eat them later on. We are done with the garlic bread and I'm not going to bake all of this. So I'm going to save some and only bake 2 because that's as much as I need. Just 2. I'm going to take this one and this. And then I'm going to cover the rest and freeze them. And then this I'm going to put in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. At 350, and then these go in the freezer. Our garlic bread is done, and boy, it looks yummy. Let's do a taste test. This is so good. Crunchy on the outside, soft in the inside. It is yummy. The taste is so rich. It's unbelievable. My God. Wow. I've never had garlic bread this good. This is so easy to make. There's absolutely no reason why we need to buy it in the store for value added. Just have a bread. If you're not able to finish your bread, make some compound butter with garlic and just put it on, throw it in the freezer, and you can use it anytime. This is amazing. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that we can notify you when we upload new videos. Thank you and stay blessed.